How's it going, YouTube? Today we're gonna go over how to roll out your guys' glutes. So, we're gonna grab a foam roller and we're gonna just come down. Easy way to do it is your guys' glutes or your butt cheeks. We're just gonna come and we're gonna just sit and we're gonna roll on the roller. I like to start off with just getting a feel, see what is tight, where it is tight at. Then, once you guys feel a little comfortable, you guys can lean back and you guys are just gonna lean to a side. So I'm gonna go onto my right side. Now this is gonna get where I'm just putting emphasis on my right glute, not my left one. So we're just gonna lean to that side. We're gonna slowly go through that range of motion. When you find a spot that's tight, you're just gonna sit on it, hold it. You'll feel that muscle actually kind of tighten up and then it'll kind of relax and sink in. So you guys are just gonna hold it. Again, this could take anywhere from 10 seconds to a whole minute, depending on how tight it is and how long you guys are willing to spend on it. So you guys are just gonna go back and forth. Now that's kind of the level 1 beginning part. If you guys wanna make it a little more intense with level 2, what you guys will do is that if it's my right leg that I'm trying to get or my right glute, I'm actually gonna bring my left leg to a 90 degree and then I'm gonna cross my right leg over, making kind of a 90 degree with my right leg. And now I'm gonna again lean over onto my right side or my right glute. And now I'm gonna go and roll onto the same area, finding that spot that's nice and tight. Once I find it, we're just gonna sit on it until it releases. So that is how you guys roll your glutes. Let me know if you guys have any questions or any exercises or stretches you guys would like to see. And I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you on the next one.